Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of the Android app, VScode for Android. Today, I'll walk you through the app's features and functionality. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in Samsung DeX mode for a desktop-like experience.
Let's start by downloading the app. You can find it on the Google Play Store by searching for VScode for Android. Install it with just a few taps.
After installation, launch the app. On first launch, the app will request storage permission. Make sure to grant these for the app to function correctly.
Once permissions are granted, the app will automatically download and extract the required assets. Don't worry, this is just a one-time setup.
After the assets are ready, the app starts loading. During this process, you'll be asked to choose your preferred layout view. For this demo, I'm selecting View 1. Once selected, the app completes loading and takes you to the main interface.
On the main interface, you'll see the Startup Welcome page, and same as the desktop version. Here you'll find an app usage guide file with name irdm.md. Be sure to check it out. It contains essential guidance for setting up various programming environments like C++ here, Python, and JavaScript.
To streamline the process, I've included a Git repository with sample programs in various languages that we can use to test our cut-up environments later. Let's swiftly clone the repository using Git commands.
Now, let's set up the environment for C++ programming. Open a terminal and execute the following command to install the required dependencies. This process may take some time, depending on your internet connection and the device you're using.
The extension for the C++ environment. Some extensions aren't directly available in the Extensions tab, so we need to manually download the .vsix extensions file and then install it. Follow me as I'm doing it.
The extension is downloaded to the device's storage download directory. and now we need to add that directory to our workspace. Once added, we can install the extension.
Let's now test our C++ programming environment by compiling and executing a sample C++ program to verify that everything functions as intended.
Now let's set up the environment for Python programming. Open a terminal and execute the following command to install the required dependencies.
To install Python extensions, search for the Python extension in the Extensions Marketplace and install it with a few taps. We'll now execute a sample Python programs to verify the setup. It's a quick and straightforward process. Now let's create our final environment in the list. It's a JavaScript environment. Open a readme.md guide file and find the command to set up the JavaScript environment. Then open a terminal and execute the following command to install npm the load package manager. Since Node is already installed by default, you don't need to install it separately. Locate the sample JavaScript files in our cloned repo directory, and then run a sample JavaScript file to confirm that the environment is configured correctly. With VS Code for Android, you can effortlessly code on the go. Simply download the app from the Play Store or click a link from the description below.